Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you each motion block in Scratch. First we have the move 10 steps. This will make the sprite move towards its direction. So now it's going right as you see, but if I put the angle to 180, it goes down. Now if I put the angle to 0, it will go up. I can put the angle to -90 and it will go left. So I'm gonna put it to its normal angle again and let's continue. Let's say goodbye to our move 10 steps and say hello to turn right 15 degrees. The turn right 15 degrees turns the sprite right from 15 degrees. The little arrow shows where it's turning to. So let's bring in his brother, turn left 15 degrees. So as you see, the arrow points to the left, so the sprite is going to turn to the left. If we add them together, the movement is cancelled. Let's stop turning and let's start moving using the go to random position. This block makes the sprite go to a random position. But who wants to use that? Let's show the block go to XY. It makes the sprite go where you want. We're back to the randoms with the glide 1 second to random position. It has several options and it can also go to sprite if you want. I'm gonna take Abby for the showcase. So here I'm gonna choose the option Abby, and if I click it, the cat goes to Abby. If I put her in another position, the cat will go there. Let's delete Abby and let's continue. Now glide to XY. This block will move your sprite to where you want. I actually used it in one of my games to make this little animation. So you put in the coordinates and you're good to go. Next we have point in direction. You put a direction and it will point that way. Now we have point towards mouse pointer and it will point to your mouse. I also use this one in my game to move the direction of the player. Next is change X by, and it will change the X position of the number what you chose. Then we have set X to the number that you want, and it will just set your X position. Now we have the same for the Y position. So it just changes the Y position. Next we have if on edge bounce. I am going to add a move 10 steps to show you. So what it does is if the sprite touches the edge, it will bounce off the edge. Now we have set rotation style to left right. It will change the style of turning. So left right is that it will mirror the sprite if it goes left, and it will mirror the sprite when it points to the right. Then we have the rotation style don't rotate, which stops the sprite from rotating. And we have all around, which is the normal mode. Then we have X position. It will say the X position of your sprite. Then we have Y position. It will say the Y position of your sprite. And finally, we have direction. This one will say the direction of your sprite. And it seems that our cat is not aligned perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe.